Hello everyone, my name is Sajid Ali and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. So today I am going to solve the first exercise. Okay, you can see it here of the chapter Trigonometry, Introduction to Trigonometry of class 10. Okay, so I will be solving all these 11 questions one by one. So stay tuned till last of this video so that you will understand them properly. Okay, I will also try to help you understand the problem. Okay, how are you going to approach it? And I will try to make the concept easier. Okay, it's not like just solving the problems, anyone can do that, but I will try to make you understand it. Okay, I will clear your doubts, so whenever you get any question you can easily solve them just by a little practice. Okay, so before that I would like to ask you, if you are new to this channel, kindly do subscribe it, and if you find this video useful, do like, comment and share it with your friends. Okay guys, so let us start with our first question, but before that I will ask you to remember few topics, which are the first thing about Pythagoras theorem. I hope you are aware of this. Okay, Pythagoras theorem. What does that mean? If there is a right angle triangle, okay, this is a right angle triangle. Imagine A, B and C is a right angle triangle. Angle B is 90 degree. Okay, and the opposite side of 90 degree is called as what? Hypotenuse, right? This is altitude. AB is altitude and this is base. I will take this as B. So Pythagoras theorem states that the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of other two sides. Okay, so this is your Pythagoras theorem. This we are going to use it frequently while solving the problems of trigonometry. First thing. Second thing is, you should be aware of these values: sine theta, then cos theta, then tan theta. Okay, how they are related with their sides. So if this is a right angle triangle, okay, consider this as a right angle triangle. I will write another triangle over here, same right angle triangle. Okay, now if theta is over here, this is 90 degree, right? This is 90 degree. Again, if theta we are taking over here, okay, so this side is called as opposite, and this opposite of 90 is hypotenuse. The rest one is called as adjacent. Remember this, O H A. Now if theta was over here, okay, this is always hypotenuse, opposite of 90 degree. Okay, then opposite of theta is called as what? O only, opposite side, and the left part is adjacent side. So you have to remember this concept. Okay, and if you know this concept, you can behead them properly. How? By using this trick. So hail, if you have seen my previous videos, you might have known what is this. Kahan ja raha hai? So his answer is to America. Okay, Sohail kahan ja raha hai? To America. Now SOH refers to sine O by H. So sine O by H. CAH refers to cos A by H, and tan O by A. Okay, in all the cases wherever they have given the angle, if you can arrange this O, A and H by just looking at the angles, you can write the formula. There is no need of writing A, B, B, C. If you know this thing, that's enough. Okay, so these are the two things which you should know. Okay, what about these? You may get a question, what about cosec, sec and cot? So remember, they are just the reciprocals of this. Sine is reciprocal of cosec, cos is reciprocal of sec, tan is reciprocal of cot. So SC, okay, here also SC, and T you can see they are the reciprocal of each other. Okay, I hope you can understand this. So let us start by solving the problems. So you only if you practice, your trigonometry or maths becomes easy. Okay, only practice can makes the work easier. Okay, you will understand in a proper way only when you are practicing it. Without practicing, just by learning things, you will not understand. You have to practice it regularly, consistently, daily. Understood? Okay, so let us start with our first question. And one more thing, if you want to learn this chapter from the basics, you can find the link in the description box. I have explained the complete chapter, okay, from the introduction, okay, both in English as well as Hindi. You can watch them both. So let us start with our first question. In triangle ABC, right angled at B, AB is 24, BC is 7 centimeter. Determine sin A cos A and then sin C cos C. Okay. So see, A here I will tell you. This is a figure. Okay. ABC and B is 90 degree. Okay. This is 90. Now sin A means what? The angle is at A. Got it? And sin C means what? Yes, the angle is at C. That's all. No difference. A, B, C. Got it? This is 90 and this is hypotenuse. If theta is here, what is this? This is opposite and this is adjacent. What about here? This is hypotenuse. Now theta is here, so this will be opposite and this is adjacent. Okay, just arrange this opposite, adjacent and hypotenuse side. Now come to the figure. AB is 24, so AB is this one, so this is 24 centimeter. BC, this is BC, which is 7. Again here AB is the same, you have to write the same thing, no need of changing, and here BC is 7. Okay, now we need to find h. How are you going to find h? Yes, using Pythagoras theorem. H is what? H square is a square plus, here it is o square. So just substitute 24 square plus 7 square. This is how much? 576 plus 49, which is equal to 625. So root of 625, because this is h square. So h is root of, this is 25. So h becomes 25. Here also it is 25. Got it? So our answer is done now. How? Sin A. So first find sin A. What is sin A in this? Where is angle A? So it is O by H. What is O? 7 by 25. That's all. What is cos A? So cos A is A by H. You have to look in this figure where angle is at A. So it is 24 by 25. That's all. Now what is here? Sin C cos C. Again O by H, A by H. But in this figure, okay, because angle is at C now. What is O? 24 by 25. And here it is 7 by 25. Got it? So this is how you are going to solve the problems. I hope it is clear. So see, these we call as Pythagoras triplets. Okay, 7, 24 and 25. So this is your first triplet. You have to remember, sometime it will be very useful if you know them. Okay, 7, 24 and 25 are Pythagoras triplets. And the larger number is always what? Hypotenuse. And these two can be any, either A or O or O or A. Okay, base height or height base. Got it? But the greater number is always hypotenuse. Remember it. So I hope you have understood. Moving to our next question. So this is our second question. In figure 8.13, find tan P cot R. So this is your figure. Okay, you have to find tan P. So again, two figures. One angle is at P and in the other case angle is at R. Got it? So this is PQR and again PQR. Okay, now they have given this as 13, same 13, this remains same 12, this also 12. Now once again you have to find what? This side QR. So use Pythagoras theorem. What will be QR using Pythagoras theorem? It is 13 square is equal to 12 square plus, we don't know this, so let me take this as base, so b square. So what will be b square? It is 13 square minus 12 square, correct, when I transfer this to RHS. So 169 minus 144, which is equal to 25. So b is what? Yes, it is root of 25, which is equal to 5. So it means this side is 5. Got it? So this is the another Pythagoras triplet, which is that 5, 12 and 13. Try to remember this. and the Pythagoras hypotenuse is always the bigger number. You can see it here. Now tan P. So when P angle is here, this is opposite, this is hypotenuse, this is adjacent. What will be? Let me write it. Tan P, O by A, correct? What is O? 5 by A. What is A? 12. That's all. Now here theta is at R, so this becomes O, this becomes A, and this is H. You have to write cot R. What is cot? Yes, it is the reciprocal of, exactly, it is the reciprocal of tan. So tan is O by A, so this becomes A by O, just reciprocal. Okay, and now what is A here? It is 5 and O is 12. So now do this, tan P minus cot R. Substitute their values. So here it is 5 by 12 minus again 5 by 12. What will be that? 0. That's all. So answer is 0. Understood? If yes, kindly do like the video. Moving to the next question. So this is our third question. What have they given? If sine A is equal to 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tan A. Once again, just write a figure. Okay, and you can take A over here or here. Let me take A. They have not mentioned any triangle. So A can either be here or here. Why? Because B is always 90 degree. So means this side is always 90 degree, this angle. So you can either take here or here. It is up to you. Now if angle is here, this side is called as O, this is, yes, A, and this is hypotenuse. Now read the question again. They have given sine A is how much? 3 by 4. And what you have to find? Cos A. What is cos A? Yes, A by H. Then tan A. What is tan A? O by A. Okay. Now see, sin A is what? O by H. We know that. It means they have given O, opposite side, which is 3. It means this is 3. And they have given hypotenuse, which is 4. Means this is 4. You need to find A. So again use the Pythagoras theorem. What is that? Hypotenuse square is equal to 3 square plus this adjacent square. So this is 16. This is 9 plus A square. So A will be 16 minus 9. So this is equal to how much? 7, right? Yes. So A will be root of 7. Means you have got this as root 7. Now just substitute. This becomes root 7 by H is how much? 4. And this becomes 3 by A is how much? Root 7. That is your answer. Isn't it very simple? Yes, it's very simple if you have understood the concept. Okay, moving to our next question. So I hope you are understanding them. Next, coming to question number 4. Given 15 cot A is 8, find sin A sec A. Again write the figure. You can, let me take A over here. Okay. So this is theta. Now what they have given? 15 cot A is 8. Don't worry. Just write cot A equals to what? 8 by 15. Why? Because this come to RHS, it gets divided. Now, what is cot A? Reciprocal of tan, correct? It means O by A is tan, so cot A will be A by O. Now, if this is theta, this side will be opposite, this will be adjacent, and this will be hypotenuse. Now, substitute the values. A is how much? 8, correct? What is O? O is 15. So, what will be H? Again, use Pythagoras theorem. H is equal to, H square is A square plus O square. So 8 square plus 15 square, we will get how much? 64 plus 225, which is equal to 289, and that is equal to 17. Okay, H square is that much, so H is root of this, so this is 17. So this is another Pythagoras triplet, which is that 8, 15 and 17. You can buy this also. Okay, now you have all the values. What will be sin A then? Sin A is O by H. O we have 15, H have 17. That's all. What is sec A? Sec A is reciprocal of cos. Cos is A by H. So this will be reciprocal of that H by A. What is H? 17 divided by what is A? 8. That's all. So simple. Okay. Moving to our next question. So this is our next question. Question number 4. What have they given? Sorry, 4 is done. 5. Question number 5 will solve now. It's very easy. Given sec theta is 13 by 12, calculate all other trigonometric ratios. It's very simple. Again, they have given sec theta. So it is up to us to take theta over here or here. Okay. Now, since they have given sec theta, okay, sec theta is what? Reciprocal of cos theta, a by h. So this becomes h by a. And they have given this as 13 by 12. Okay, means h is 13, a is 12. So this is theta. It means o is this, h is this, a is this. Substitute their values. So h is how much? 13. A they have given 12. So what is this? Yes, you can see 13, 12 and 5. They are the Pythagoras triplets. So this becomes 5. I will directly write it. You can find it using Pythagoras theorem. Now what will be sine theta? O by h. Cos theta will be reciprocal of sec. So it becomes directly 12 by 13. Next tan theta, and after that cot theta, that is reciprocal of tan theta, and then cosec theta, that is reciprocal of sin theta. So O by h, that is 5 by 13. So cosec become 13 by 5. Now tan is O by a, that is 5 by 12, and this becomes 12 by 5. That's all the 6 are present here, right? Any problem in solving them? I hope so. You don't have any problem. You are understanding it properly. Yes. Now moving to question number 6. So here what have they given? If you're finding it useful, kindly do like it. Don't forget to press the like button. Okay? You can do that much as a favor. Okay. So here they have given, if angle A and B are acute angles such that cos A equals to cos B, then show that A and B are equal. So let me again write, let this be A and this be B. Why can't you take this as B or A? Because both of them are acute angles, and acute angles means the angle less than 90 degree, not equal, less than 90 degree. So A and B either can be here or here. Now again I will write two figures for this, A, B. Okay. Now they have given A and B are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos B. Okay. Then show that angle A is equal to angle B. This is to prove, and this is data given. Okay. So if A is here, this side is called as, let me take AB and this as C, AB and this as C. Okay. Now if theta is here, so this is opposite, this is adjacent, this is hypotenuse. Now when theta is at B, this is opposite, this is adjacent, this is hypotenuse. So what is cos A? Cos A is A by H. So in this A is AC and H is what? Yes, AB. Okay, now in this let me find cos B. What is that? A by H. So in this figure A is BC and H is AB. Now both of them are equal. Since cos A they have given is equal to cos B, I will write this as AC by AB, which is equal to BC by AB. Correct? Now in denominator we have same thing, so they will get cancelled. So AC is equal to BC. It means if you look at any figure, here AC this side is equal to BC this side. So when two sides are equal, the angle opposite to those sides are also equal. So angle opposite to this is B and angle opposite to this is A, which means what? Yes, you are right. Angle B is equal to angle A because angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Okay, that is a property of triangle. Got it? So I hope you have understood this too. Moving directly to the next question. So next is question number 7. You can see it here. Now I hope you can find all the problems. So try yourself and at last compare with my answers. Okay? In the steps as well. If cot theta is 7 by 8, evaluate this. Okay, so I have to substitute and find. And similarly second cot square theta. So I will write a figure first. Always draw a figure. Okay, and you can take theta over here. So if this is theta, this is O, this is A, this is H, right? Now they have given cot theta as 7 by 8. It means what is this? Reciprocal of tan. What is tan? O by A. So this becomes a by u, means a is how much? 7. O is how much? 8. So what will be h? Yes, do the Pythagoras theorem, apply it. So h is root of 7 square plus 8 square. So on solving here you'll get 49 plus 64, and this is how much? 3, and this is 1 1. So it is 113. There is no, this is not a perfect square, so we'll keep this as 113 itself, root 113. Now we need here sine theta and cos theta. So what is sine theta? It is O by O by h. So O is 8 divided by h is 113. That's all. And what is cos theta? A by h. So a is 7 and h is root 113. Now substitute in this expression 1 plus sine theta. Let me write that expression into 1 minus sine theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Okay, now if you see, this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, isn't it? So what is this? A square minus b square. A plus b, a minus b. So this becomes 1 square minus sine square theta, and similarly this 1 square minus cos square theta. So this is 1 minus, what is sine theta? 8 by root 113 whole square, and here this is 1 minus 7 by root 113 whole square. So on expanding, this becomes 64 divided by 113, because root and square get cancelled, and here you'll get 1 minus 7 square is 49 divided by 113. Okay, so bracket them. Now on taking LCM in the numerator, we'll get 113, and here how much? Yes, 113 minus 64 divided by LCM is 113. So this again becomes 113 minus 49. I hope you know this step. We are just doing the LCM and finding it. So both numerator have same thing, they will get cancelled, and on solving this, you will get this as 49 and this as 64. So this is the answer of first question. What about cot square theta? Now since they had given cot theta as 7 by 8, what will be square of cot theta? Just do the square of this. So this becomes 49 by 64. So if you see, both of them are same. Got it? They have got the same thing. Okay, and you may also get a question like prove that LHS equals to RHS, because both of the values you are getting same. So be ready for that also. We'll solve that type of problem in our, I think, fourth exercise. Okay, I hope you have understood this problem. Moving to our next question, that is 8. So question number 8. If 3 cot A is 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A is equal to this or not. Okay. So again, if you write here 3 cot A, which is 4. So what is cot A? It is 4 by 3. Right? Again, figure. This is always necessary. So this is A, so angle is here, this is O, this is A, this is H. What is cot A? Reciprocal of tan, so O by A. Okay, it means A by U. So they have given the value of A as 4, O as 3. So what will be H? Find it. H will be root of 3, square of 3 square plus 4 square, and root, under root. So this is 9 plus, this is how much? 16. So root 25, which is equal to 5. So H is 5. Done. Now they have given tan A. So what is tan A? It is reciprocal of cot, means 4 by 3 is what? 3 by 4. Okay. Now what is cos A? Cos A is A by H, which means 4. Sorry, kya hua? Arre, just a minute. Yeah. So there was some problem. Now it's resolved. Yeah. What is cos A? A by H. So A is 4, H is, how much is this? This is 5, right? So 5. Now you need what? Sine A. So sine A is how much? O by H. So O is 3, H is how much? 5. So we have got these three values. Now take LHS. What is LHS in that question? 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A. So on substituting here, you'll get 1 minus, what is tan A? 3 by 4. Yes, substitute it like this, square, and 1 plus 3 by 4 square. So this becomes 1 by 9 by 1 minus 9 by 16, and this is 1 plus 9 by 16, correct? So on solving, doing LCM, we'll get 16 minus 9, and here you'll get 16 LCM, 16 plus 9. So again denominator will get cancel. If you don't know how is that step coming, so see, I will write it here. So when this comes to numerator, it will become what? 16 divided by 16 plus 9, right? So these two will get cancelled, and here 16 minus 9 is 7, and 16 plus 9 is 25. So this is your LHS. Now I will solve RHS here. See what they have given as RHS. Yes, let me write it here. They have given cos square A minus sine square A. So what is cos square A? We have got 4 by 5. So square of that minus what is sine 3 by 5 square. So on solving, you'll get 16 by 25, and here 9 by 25. LCM is 25. So 16 minus 9, which is equal to how much? Yes, 7 by 25. So even the RHS is same. So we can say LHS equals to RHS. Okay, this was LHS. So I hope you have understood this question. Yes, like it quickly. Moving to question number 10 now. So where is our, sorry, 8 is done, right? Moving to question number 9. In triangle ABC, right angled at B, if tan A is equal to 1 by root 3, find the value of sin A cos C cos A sin C. Okay. So again, no need of panic. Just write the figure. We'll take our ABC. A, B, C. Because they have given right angled at B. Okay. Now, if you see here, they have given tan A. So I will take angle at A first. Okay, it's easy. Just assumption A. Okay, so if this is A, this is O, this is A, this is H. O A H. You know that, right? Now they have given tan A as how much? Tan A is 1 by root 3. What is tan A? O by A. It means they have given O as 1 and A as root 3. So what will be H? Use Pythagoras theorem. That's all. So it is 3 square plus 1 square. Okay, and root. So this is 3 plus 1, which is equal to root 4. So H is how much? 2. So we have got the value of H, right? Now, if you see, they have asked sin A first, cos C. Let us see which are the ratios required at A. So sin A, cos A, sin A, cos A. Yes, means we need sin A and cos A. So sin A and cos A will become what? Here O by H, A by H. So O is 1 by H is how much? 2. Here A is how much? Root 3 divided by H is 2. So we got. Now if, let me write here itself, if theta is at C, this becomes O, this becomes A, and this is already H, right? Why we need C? Because they have given cos C also in sin C. So what will be cos C? A by H. So A is 1 by 2, and what is sin C? Yes, so what is sin C? Yes, it is O by H. Now what is O here? It is root 3 divided by H is 2. Then substitute in this. In the first question they have given sin A. I will write directly 1 by 2. Okay, into cos C. So cos C is 1 by 2 again, plus cos A, that is root 3 by 2, into sin C, which is same root 3 by 2. Okay, on solving here you will get 1 by 4 plus root 3 into root 3 is 3, 2 2s are 4. So LCM is 4, 1 plus 3 is 4, you will get answer as 1. That's all. Now the second one, I will substitute directly. Cos A, what is cos A? Root 3 by 2 into cos C, that is 1 by 2, minus sin A 1 by 2 into sin C root 3 by 2. Okay, so you will get root 3 by 4 minus again root 3 by 4. So what is that? 0. Same minus will be 0 always, right? So I hope you have understood this question also. Moving to our question number 10. So in question number 10, if you see, they have given In triangle PQR, right angled at Q. So let me write the figure first. So this is PQR, angle Q at 90. Okay, angle Q is 90. You can write PQR like this also. That is also valid. Now they have given PR plus QR. Okay, this PR plus QR equals to 25. And PQ, this PQ is equal to 5. Determine the values of sine P. Then they have asked cos P and then tan P. Okay, means angle is at P. So angle is at P means this is O, correct? This is A and this is H, right? Now, as we all know, as I have said you in the at the beginning of the class, that we have Pythagoras triplets. Okay, so in that I also told you this one 5, 12 and 13. Okay, this is a very important triplet. Remember this we are going to use it here because PR plus QR equals to 25. So one is 15, and if you look at here, if sorry, one is 5. If you look at here, this is 5 and these two, sum of these two is how much? 25, correct? And the greater number is always hypotenuse. So this is 13 and this is 12. So this is how you have to rearrange them. Okay, if you don't know these triplets, then you have to find it using Pythagoras theorem. How? You can take this as x plus y equals to 25. Okay, and so x will be what? 25 minus y, right? So Pythagoras theorems will become hypotenuse square is equal to a square plus opposite square. So h is, okay, if you are taking this as x and this as y, then h is how much? Y. So keep it y. A adjacent is x square and O is 5 square. So y square is equal to what is x? So you have taken x as, yes, 25 minus y. So whole square plus 5. So on solving this equation, you will get the value of y. Y you will get it as 13. So x is 25 minus 13, that is 12. So this is how you can solve this question and the value of QR and PR. Okay. Now, since we have got the value of O and H, what is sine P? O by H. O is 12, H is 13. That's it. That's it. Cos P is A by H. So here A is 5, H is 13. This is O by A. So O is 12, A is 5. These are the answer. That's all. It's very simple question. Anyone can do it easily if he or she knows the concept. Moving to the last main. Okay, it is question number 11 and they have given what? State whether the following are true or false. Justify your answers as well. Okay, so hardly you will get this type of question in exam, but let us check. The value of tan A is always less than 0. Is this possible? The value of tan A is always less than 1. So this you can prove using a triangle. See, it is false, but how to prove it? Let us take any triangle, a right angle triangle with any Pythagoras triplet. I will again take this 5, 12 and 13. This is very simpler. Okay, so 13 is this, either this or this can be 12 and 5 or 12 and 5, any of them. And if I take theta over here, okay, so this is O, this is A, this is H. What is A is here? Okay, what is they have given? The value of tan A is always less than 1. So if I take tan theta, it is O by A means 12 by 5. So if you solve, you will definitely get 1.4. So which is more than 1, right? So this is the justification. No, it is not true, it is false, because it can be more than 1 also. Got it? That is the answer. Second question they have given, seek A is 12 by 5 for some value of angle A. Is it possible? Let us check. You will take the same thing. They have given 12 by 5. Okay, let me draw another figure. So A is here. Okay, what is seek A? Yes, it is reciprocal of cos A by H. So H should be what? Yes, if you look at this 12 and 5, it's again the same triplet. So h is always 13 here. This can be 12 and this 5, or this can be 12 or 5, but they have given h as how much? 12. So h can only be 13, not 12 or 5. So therefore it is also false. Understood? Next, cos A is the abbreviation used for cosecant of angle A. No, it is false. It is not used for that. Cosecant is cosec A. Cos A is for cosine A. Okay. Next, cot A is the product of cot and A. No, it is not a product. Cot is the cot A is it's the cot of angle A, not product A. Okay. This is also false. Now last question, sin A is 4 by 3 for some angle. So let us check it. Sin A is 4 by 3. Okay. What is sin A? O by H. Correct. So if this is theta, this is O, this is A, this is H. It means O they have given how much? 4. Correct. And H is how much? 3. Now what is A? If you know this is a Pythagoras triplet. Which one is that? Yeah, 3, 4 and 5, right? 5 square, 3 square, 4. So 9 plus 16, 25, right? So again this is also a Pythagoras triplet, 3, 4 and 5, and hypotenuse can only be 5, but here they have given hypotenuse is how much? 3. So even this is false. No, this is not possible. Understood? So I hope you have understood all the problems which I explained here. If so, kindly like the video. Don't forget to do that. And you can also comment and tell your views about this video. And don't forget to share it with your friends. And I will request this at last. If you are new or old, whichever which type of student you are, old or new one, I don't know, but if you find this useful, kindly do subscribe the channel, subscribe it to get similar videos. Okay, and you can also go through my playlist section. You will get different sections of videos there. Okay, all type of like science, maths, social also, you can watch them. And subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications of my latest video. Okay, so we'll see you all in my next video. Till then, take care, bye, have a great time, see you.